Category 1 Strategy, Markov Multi-State Survival. Across spring 2023 through April 2026, 4 flavors show up. Booklet matrix problems give a homogeneous P and ask for powers and portfolio EPVs. Alive-dead MLE problems build waiting times, death indicators, and central exposure. Then MUHAT equals deaths over exposure. Differences that matter. Are you handed a transition matrix or estimating forces from data? One force of mortality versus a full intensity table. And booklet clarity versus Excel named ranges and Euler step size. Misreading which subtype you're in is the usual time sink. Attack checklist. First, draw states and arrows and label what is given P, mu, or data. If MLE, write the likelihood contribution per life, then the estimator. If Euler, choose H and update the probability vector. Attach cash flows only after probabilities exist, and say whether the benefit is occupancy or transition. Finish verbal parts on homogeneity and Markov assumptions. Grounded next variance. Excel multi-state MLE that merges booklet intensity tables with the April Excel layout. Duration-dependent intensities inside an Euler CCRC workbook. Or a portfolio of lives whose estimated transition matrix feeds EPVs. Drill the 6 prior questions in ladder order after this video. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.